Hello guys and welcome. Today, my favorite thing, unboxing. We're gonna unbox the bundle, the motorcycle bundle. The reason why I wanted to talk about this is because I wanted you to know how to attach the camera to your motorcycle. The reason being is this. I don't want you to do this. I don't recommend you to do this like I did it here. Here it is, the motorcycle bundle. Everything you need to attach your camera to your motorcycle. Let's take this off first. I kind of feel that this setup that I actually had is stronger than the one that came in the box.
You serious?
Here I am taking it all off. Finally, I made it. This is what comes in the box. Flexible adhesive mount. And I really love this one. This is the best thing in the box, I swear. Okay, this is a cool thing. This helps you attach your camera to your windshield. I will show you right now. When you're attaching this, you need to place it on the place you selected and hold it for 30 seconds tightly so the adhesive mount can actually get some grip. After that, leave it for 24 hours and then it's ready. I didn't attach mine very straight here. One more important thing, these are super sticky, so after you take it off, it's gonna leave some of that adhesive on your glass. You can see it here, and I'm gonna remove this. It's actually very easy to remove it with the right substance. Don't use something that's gonna damage your windshield. I was super excited about the heavy-duty clamp. Then I realized that it's not that good. It's not high quality, actually. The screw is getting looser and looser as you go, and of course the vibrations and everything. Make sure every 20 kilometers, stop somewhere, try to screw it a little bit stronger. So it depends where you attach it, but I attach it here. Don't attach it to the mirrors because the mirrors are just gonna fold due to the speed and weight. Like it happened to me here, you can see my mirror folding right now. And at first I stopped. So I was like, okay, I have to stop, I have to check because I didn't want my camera to get damaged. And you can see here, I just pulled the mirror back and checked it. I continue driving, so the shot looks really cool. Actually, you can use this for many things. You can make a lot of cool shots, but look at it now. Wing, it just went back. This time I didn't even stop, I just used my hand and I pushed it back and I continue with my drive. Yeah, like I said, it looks cool, but watch out because when you lean like this, your camera is gonna touch the ground. Some people attach it here on the handlebars. Please don't do that. There are weights here, so that's not safe as well. My advice is to attach it here, but find the right angle so you can attach it properly so it doesn't fall. If you tighten it up a little bit stronger, it's gonna break the screw. I'm gonna show you that right now. You can see me here opening the box, and I was super excited. This is the heavy-duty clamp and the small black wrench that you need to use to tighten it. I selected this place for my, for the heavy-duty clamp because it's the only good place I feel like. The problem here you will see, this is straight out of the box and it broke here. This screw here broke in my hand after one day. The top screw here broke in the first hour. So with this wrench that you use to tighten it, because it generally loses grip after riding, because of all the vibrations, because of the speed you're going to. And this screw here, I broke right about now. It just starts skipping.
Out of these.
Here I'm taking out Invisible Insta360 stick, and I'm gonna attach it to the clamp like so. And I feel like my setup was better than this. It was holding better, honestly. This screw should not skip, just so you know. This is the most important thing. This screw here should not skip, and I don't feel like it's very, very strong and it's not holding properly. And here I broke the screw.
Fatality.
This is what comes in the box: heavy-duty clamp, flexible adhesive mount, then you have clamp mount, hex wrench, then you have a prong adapter, thumb screw,
3 hours later,
an adapter, an anti-slip ring. This is the first day and I was so happy and excited. I decided to attach the camera on the right side to get some cool shots. I feel like the stitching is very good actually. you will see it here. The mistake was me attaching it to the mirror, because on my motorcycle I don't have any other options. My handlebars are not set up for this. It will fall immediately. When you're taking cars over, it's not good because you need a lot of space. It does stick when you're leaning to right. It almost touches the ground. Then I decided to change it and do the front side. So I wanted to get some cool shots from the front of the motorcycle. I like them very much. I honestly expected more from the clamp. I want the clamp to be stronger so you can change the places all the time and all this. It didn't scratch my mirror, maybe just a little bit, but it didn't leave any marks. And the front side actually holds up much better. You can see I even tested it on the highway. And it's more natural to ride like this because of the wind. The stick is more stable. As you can see here on the highway, I'm not gonna say the speed, but it holds up pretty good. Front and back side are the best options for the invisible selfie stick. Don't put a lot of weight on it. This is it. If you want something else, I wouldn't test the clamp. I would get a different setup for GoPro or for a different heavier camera that will give you better quality videos. Then use something else. The camera manual says 80 kilometers maximum speed on a flat surface, and bumpy roads 40 kilometers. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.
Finish him!